Hello everybody, welcome back. I have an entry for my birthday challenge giveaway, so I wanted to share that with you guys. And if you have not entered, I'll share all the details with you in just a minute about that. But this is from Staci Stroud, and she's up in Grand Rapids, Michigan. So let's see here. We have You Really Bowled Me Over. Aw. So let's see. Got game. Aw. Oh, she wrote the sweetest note. Oh, she sent me the sweetest birthday card. You are truly, Sandy, you are truly a diamond. Oh, that is so sweet. I love it. So, Staci, thank you so much. You wrote the sweetest, sweetest note. So, thank you. That was so sweet. She wrote a really sweet card, how much she appreciates all of the packages that I send each month in my Patreon, and that she loves pen pals, and she's had them since she was young. So that is so sweet. Love it. I love it. So to enter, if you're interested in entering my birthday challenge, you just have to send an artist trading card with all your information, your birthday, your address, your socials, the things that you like, or you can send a card. And then Krafter's Choice, send me something you love or something you love to make. So she sent me this really cute playing card, and then she sent me a card and told me her different likes and things like that. And you must be a visible subscriber on YouTube, 18 years or older, and your entries must be postmarked by 12/31/2025. And I'm giving away two prizes, a $75 gift card or a $50 gift card, either through PayPal or an e-gift card of your choice. So send your entries in. Here's the address here. So Staci, you are my first entry, and good luck to you. All right, thanks everybody. Bye.